I am standing here 3 kilometers to the QEW, under 30 minutes to Niagara Falls and the US border, with 4 wineries that are a 5-minute walk away. Now we're talking, and I'm talking about my newest listing, 4341 Henry Avenue in Beamsville, Ontario. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-story semi-detached home is over 1,300 square feet and situated at the end of a quiet court. Comfortably park in your 2-car driveway and enjoy your attached garage. Inside, you've got tons of natural lighting from your new windows, along with new wide plank laminate flooring and freshly painted throughout the entire home. You've got your brand new light fixtures, your new front and back door, and so much more. Let's go check it out. Walk out from your kitchen into your fully fenced in backyard. You've got a ravine and a walking path right at your doorstep. There's so much space and privacy back here. Aside from all the wineries around here, you're walking distance to Senator Gibson Public School, the Lincoln Community Center, Ted Roberts Park, the new Rotary Park, and even downtown Beamsville, all within a 15-minute walk away. Well, I hope you enjoyed this home and everything that it has to offer. If you have any questions or you'd like to book your own private viewing, you know how to reach me. And remember, this is one you will not want to miss.